Hi, beautiful soul. Thank you so much for joining me for this beginner meditation. When you're ready, come to a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and clear your mind. Coming into this present moment, we'll use our diaphragmatic breathing. Inhale, let your belly expand. Exhale, belly toward the spine. Breathing in and out of your nose, taking deep cleansing breaths, and filling your breath as nourishment to your body. Meditation allows us to quiet the chatter of the mind and create a space of stillness and inner peace. By setting aside just a few minutes each day to focus on your breath, observe thoughts without judgment, or practice guided visualizations, we can significantly reduce mental noise. Consistent meditation helps in cultivating mindfulness and presence, enabling us to respond to life's challenges with greater equanimity and insight. So being here in this present moment, taking a scan of your body, being aware of any tension or stress your body is holding. You can send your breath into those areas, visualize it dissolving away, lovingly releasing out into a violet flame surrounding you. The violet flame transmutes all negative energy. Inhaling a beautiful white light, letting it flow through all the cells of your being. Exhaling, releasing any darkness, negative thoughts, emotions out into that violet flame. Inhaling light, exhale, release. Continuing with our diaphragmatic breathing, place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to rise as you fill your lungs with air. Feel your hand on your abdomen move outward while the hand on your chest remains still. Exhale slowly and completely through your mouth, feeling your abdomen fall. Inhale, belly fills. Exhale, belly toward the spine. Continue with this pattern, focusing on the rise and fall of your abdomen for a few more breaths. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs from the bottom up, and exhale fully, releasing any tension. And feeling your breath nourishing your body. And release your left hand down onto your lap. Bring your right hand up to your nose. Use your thumb to close your right nostril. Inhale deeply through your left nostril. Close your left nostril with your ring finger. Release your thumb and exhale through your right nostril. Inhale through your right nostril. Close it with your thumb and exhale through the left. Continue this pattern, inhaling through one nostril and exhaling through the other for several cycles. Focus on the gentle flow of breath and the balance it brings to your mind and body. This helps to balance both hemispheres of our brain. When you're ready, you can release your hands down and return to normal breathing. Be aware of how you're feeling. Inhale, visualize drawing up a beautiful white light filled with peace, love, harmony, gratitude. Let it flow through all the cells of your being. Feeling peaceful, feeling loved, remembering that you are love. You vibrate love. You are made of love. Feeling in harmony with all living beings and Mother Earth. Taking a moment to think about 5 things that you're grateful for as you feel gratitude overflowing from your heart. Carrying the calm and balance of this practice with you throughout your day. You can do this every day. Taking a moment just to connect with your breath, with your highest divine self, feeling gratitude and love. Thank you so much for sharing this space with me. Slowly bring yourself back into this present moment, wiggling your fingers and your toes. The divinity within me sees and honors the divinity within you. Namaste.